Is HEX a scam? Are you considering investing in HEX but unsure if it's a scam? Discover the truth behind this controversial cryptocurrency and whether it's worth the risk. HEX is a relatively new cryptocurrency that has been making waves in the crypto community. While some people view it as a revolutionary new way to earn passive income, others believe it is nothing more than a scam. So what is HEX and is it a scam? To understand this, we need to take a closer look at how it works, who is behind it, and what are people saying about it. The truth is, there are valid arguments on both sides of this debate, and it can be difficult to separate fact from fiction. However, by taking a closer look at the evidence, we can get a better understanding of whether HEX is a scam or not. What exactly is HEX in crypto? HEX, also known as hexadecimal, is a digital currency that utilizes blockchain technology to operate. It is built on the Ethereum network and utilizes smart contracts to facilitate transactions and manage the distribution of tokens. HEX is unique in that it offers a high interest rate for holders of the currency, with an initial interest rate of 20% and the potential to increase to as much as 100%. This is achieved through a process known as staking, which involves locking up a certain amount of HEX for a certain period of time. The longer the duration of the stake, the higher the interest rate earned. HEX also has a referral program, which allows users to earn additional HEX by referring others to the platform. Overall, HEX is a decentralized and innovative digital currency that offers a new way for users to earn a return on their investment. Is HEX a fraud? HEX, also known as HEX coin, is a cryptocurrency that has gained a lot of attention in recent times. However, with this attention, there have been many questions and concerns raised about whether or not it is a scam. The answer to this question is not a straightforward one, as there are many factors to consider. First, it is important to note that HEX is a legitimate cryptocurrency with a functioning blockchain and a real-world use case. The project is led by Richard Hart, a well-known figure in the crypto community, who has been transparent about the workings of HEX and its underlying technology. Additionally, HEX has been listed on several reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, which is a good indication of its legitimacy. However, there are some red flags that have raised concerns about HEX. One of the biggest concerns is that the project is heavily promoted as a get-rich-quick scheme, with promises of high returns on investment. This has led many to believe that HEX is a Ponzi scheme where early investors are paid returns from the investments of later investors. Another concern is that HEX has been criticized for its use of staking mechanism, which rewards investors who hold on to their HEX for a long period of time. This has been viewed as a way to incentivize people to buy and hold HEX, rather than use it for its intended purpose as a currency. Overall, it is important to approach any investment with caution and to thoroughly research any project before investing. While HEX may be a legitimate cryptocurrency, the way it is being marketed and the mechanisms used to incentivize it and its investment should be carefully considered. It is also important to remember that any investment, including in cryptocurrencies, carries a level of risk and there is no guarantee of returns. Should you invest in HEX? When it comes to investing in HEX, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. HEX is a decentralized cryptocurrency that utilizes blockchain technology and is designed to be a high-yield savings account for holders. One of the biggest advantages of investing in HEX is its potential for high returns. The cryptocurrency has a built-in inflationary mechanism which decreases the supply over time, thus increasing the value of each coin. This, combined with the potential for staking rewards, can lead to significant returns for investors. Additionally, HEX is built on the Ethereum Blockchain, which is well established and has a strong community of developers and users. On the other hand, there are also some potential drawbacks to investing in HEX. As with any cryptocurrency, the value can be highly volatile and is subject to market conditions. There's also the risk that the project may not gain widespread adoption, leading to a decrease in value. Additionally, as HEX is a relatively new cryptocurrency, there is still a lack of long-term data and performance history to evaluate its potential success. Price history of HEX. HEX, a short for high-interest blockchain savings, is a cryptocurrency that has been gaining traction in the market for its unique approach to savings. Launched in December of 2019, HEX's price history has been quite interesting to observe. Initially, the price of HEX was around 0.0001, but within a month of its launch, it had reached a high of 0.0009, representing a 900% increase in value. This early success was largely attributed to the hype surrounding the project and the interest of early adopters. However, the price of HEX soon started to drop, and by April of 2020 it had reached a low of 0.0001. This was largely due to the overall market conditions, as the crypto market was experiencing bearish trend at the time. Despite this, HEX has managed to maintain a relatively stable price, and by August of 2020 it had reached a high of 0.0005, a 500% increase from its April low. In October of 2020, HEX experienced a significant price increase, reaching a high of 0.0008, a 60% increase in just 2 months. This was attributed to the launch of several new features on the HEX platform, including the ability to stake and earn interest on HEX. Additionally, the overall market conditions are also improving, which helped to boost the price of HEX. Since then, the price of HEX has been relatively stable, fluctuating between 0.0005 and 0.0008. Despite the volatility in the crypto market, HEX has managed to maintain a steady price, which has helped to establish it as a reliable and stable investment option for many. Overall, HEX's price history has been quite interesting, and it's also very interesting to observe itself, and it will be exciting to see how the project continues to evolve in the future. HEX Crypto is a revolutionary new cryptocurrency that has shaken up the market with its innovative approach to tokenization. With its unique staking mechanism, users can earn significant returns on their investments simply by holding onto their tokens. Additionally, the platform's decentralized nature ensures that it is truly a community-driven project, with no single entity controlling the direction of the project. If you're interested in getting in on the ground floor of this exciting new cryptocurrency, now is the time to act. Head over to the HEX website and sign up for an account today.